Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting and impactful topic: how to transform your garden into a thriving wildlife habitat. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, you can make a significant difference for local wildlife. Not only will you be helping the environment, but you'll also create a vibrant space filled with life and beauty. So, let's get started on making your outdoor area a sanctuary for our furry and feathered friends. As urban areas expand, wildlife loses essential habitats. By creating wildlife-friendly spaces in our gardens, we can provide crucial resources for birds, insects, and small animals. This is especially important as many species face habitat loss due to development and climate change. Plus, having a diverse range of wildlife in your garden makes it more vibrant and interesting. Imagine watching butterflies flutter by or hearing birds chirping while you sip your morning coffee. A successful wildlife habitat needs 4 key elements: food, water, shelter, and places to raise young. Each of these components plays a vital role in supporting different species. Let's explore each of these in detail so you can create the perfect environment for local wildlife. First up is food. Native plants are the foundation of a wildlife-friendly garden. They provide food in the form of nectar, pollen, seeds, fruits, and nuts. Native plants are adapted to your local climate and soil conditions, making them easier to care for. They also attract insects, which are crucial food sources for birds and other wildlife. Consider planting a variety of flowers that bloom at different times throughout the season to ensure there's always something available for pollinators. While native plants should be the primary food source, supplemental feeding can help, especially during harsh weather conditions or winter months. Set up bird feeders with a variety of seeds. Sunflower seeds attract many species. You can also create butterfly feeding stations with overripe fruit or sugar water solutions to attract these beautiful pollinators. Water is essential for wildlife survival. Install a bird bath or create a small pond to provide drinking water and bathing opportunities. If space allows, consider adding a pond with native aquatic plants that can support frogs and other amphibians. Even just putting out shallow dishes of water will help thirsty critters during hot days. Remember to keep water sources clean and change the water regularly to prevent mosquito breeding. Wildlife needs places to hide from predators and harsh weather. Creating natural shelter is essential. You can build brush piles using fallen branches or leaves. This provides hiding spots for small mammals and insects. If it's safe to do so, leave dead trees standing as they provide nesting sites for birds and habitats for insects. Additionally, planting dense shrubs creates cover for animals seeking refuge. You can also provide artificial shelter by installing birdhouses tailored to specific species or bat boxes that encourage beneficial bats into your garden. Insect hotels are another great option. They provide nesting sites for solitary bees and other beneficial insects. Different species have varying needs when it comes to raising their young. Provide diverse nesting sites by incorporating shrubs that offer cover or installing specific birdhouses designed for local birds. Plant caterpillar host plants like milkweed for butterflies. This ensures there's food available for caterpillars once they hatch. Additionally, creating small ponds can support amphibians like frogs that need water bodies for breeding. To create a truly wildlife-friendly garden, adopt sustainable gardening practices. Composting enriches your soil naturally while reducing waste going to landfills. Use mulch around plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds without chemicals. Avoid pesticides and chemical fertilizers that can harm beneficial insects. Instead, opt for organic alternatives that support the ecosystem. Remember that wildlife needs change with the seasons. In fall, leave seed heads on plants as food sources for birds during winter months. Provide extra food and unfrozen water when temperatures drop. Avoid major garden cleanups in spring when animals may be nesting. Instead, leave some natural debris as it provides cover for young wildlife. Creating a wildlife habitat in your garden is not only rewarding but also beneficial for local ecosystems. Start with small changes. Every little bit helps. Be patient as nature takes its course. Over time, you'll see more visitors enjoying your beautiful outdoor space. If you enjoyed this guide on creating a wildlife habitat in your garden, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Basics Hub for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your own wildlife gardening experiences or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening!